Hey folks, how you doing? It's Paul at Craft Words. So we get this question quite a lot, and it's one of the more simple ones, but we often get asked, what is copywriting? It sounds as though it could get a bit existential, doesn't it? But the short answer I always give to this is copywriting is selling. Now, I kind of say selling slightly in inverted commas because there's not always an actual sale that takes place, but there's always some kind of transaction. That's kind of the key for me with copy. Now, whether that transaction is what you would traditionally think of as a sale, so you buy a product or a service, for example, or whether that transaction is just you're giving a bit of your attention, a bit of your time to that brand, that also is transactional. It might be that it's a branding campaign, and so they're just telling you that they exist and what they stand for, but there's still a transaction because you're still giving some of your time and attention. So I guess the key to what is copywriting is that you're performing some sort of action. If you take in that message, whether it's through a piece of video, a banner ad, an email, a print ad, whatever it is, if you take in that message and you just go, and you don't do anything, then the copywriting hasn't really done its job, or it just hasn't really worked. And that's one of the key differences. When people say blog writing is copywriting, I often kind of go, well, I'm not entirely sure. Blog writing for me is a little bit more towards kind of journalism. There is some overlap for sure. There's grey area, but I think that is the key difference. When you're talking about kind of pure copywriting, your aim is to affect some kind of transaction. You, as the audience member, need to see that copy, whatever form it is, take that information in and do something. I don't think you do that when you read a blog. Yes, I know some of you will say if it's pushing a product or something, yes, you might do. That's where I think it does lean more towards copywriting. But generally, copywriting, what is it? It's when you are trying to affect some kind of action through words. All right, that's it. Look out for more videos, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.